chicken teriyaki. Flatten all of your chicken breasts so they cook evenly. Now I'm seasoning it with a little salt, a little pepper, some garlic powder, and a little ginger. Add a little olive oil and mix well. Now you're going to brown both sides of your chicken breast for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. In a skillet, add 4 tablespoons of butter and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once your butter has melted, add about a half a cup of diced onion. Cook your onions down for about 2 to 3 minutes, then add about 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Cook your garlic down for about 1 minute. Now you'll add about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now add about 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Once your sugar has melted, add about a cup of broccoli florets. Here I'm adding about 1/4 cup of water just to stretch my sauce. Now I'm adding a cornstarch slurry, which is just a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with about 2 tablespoons of water. Stir your sauce until your sauce is thickened. Once your sauce is thickened, season with about a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of ginger. Stir in your seasonings. Dice your cooked chicken breast. Once you've diced your chicken breast, put it into your sauce, mix well, and you're done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more recipes.